Show you the Bal-A-Vis ball exercises, starting with the 1-ball rectangle and the 1-ball oval. Before you start this exercise, there are some setup recommendations we have. We want you to start by holding both arms straight out in front of you. You want your fingertips to be about an inch or two apart. This looks good. So we'll kind of keep our spots right here and maintain the same distance the whole exercise. I'm going to put this ball in Shannon's right hand again, kind of like I did with the bean bags. Another important tip is you want to use what's called a handshake bounce. So if you pretend you're shaking someone's hand, where your thumb is pointed up towards the ceiling usually, and your arm is almost in a cast, that's kind of the form that you want to picture when you're bouncing this ball. So Shannon,
robot arms.
Yes, like robot arms. And Shannon can demonstrate what an actual bounce looks like by bouncing it just to herself, and maintaining that, yes, kind of that handshake position for the bounce down, and then bringing her palm up to catch it at the end. And before you start this exercise, it's also recommended that you practice these bounces by yourself first, just to get used to what it feels like to bounce and catch the ball, make sure you're using correct form, and then once you feel pretty solid on that, you can move to the partner exercises. So for the 1-ball rectangle, Shannon is going to bounce the ball in a V shape to my hand. And for those of you who have watched the beanbag exercises, this looks very similar. So we'll just demonstrate and you can kind of get the idea. I switched to the oval, which is like the beanbag circle, except we're more in an oval shape than a circle shape with these. Awesome. And that is the 1-ball rectangle and oval.